rock and roll, baby. And I never thought I'd be standing here with a group of Hadzabe in the morning.
Yeah.
I could live here forever.
I'm alive, up on top, right now.
Okay, I'm reloading.
Yeah.
Show my mother.
Sure. Yeah. Yeah.
I'm reloading again.
Yeah.
I'm only about 10 feet from this, so I'm really a little embarrassed in front of these guys. Man.
Now the carry is try.
Good. Come on, guys. I'll get it. Okay. I'm shooting it just over its head.
Yeah.
I have to shoot.
Yeah. He's hiding. He's hiding.
He's ducking my arrows. The guy is.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm gonna get it this time. I really feel it. Look at the bird. Look at the bird. Look at the bird. Eric, look at the bird.
This is what Kevin did when he is in the bush. He shot up.
I have just caught my first dove, and we call this beginner's luck.